In driving and in life, a little preparation goes a long way. Installing a dash cam which monitors the front and often the interior of your vehicle in the event of a theft or accident is an easy and affordable way to protect yourself, your passengers, and your investment. And as we say here in Venezuela, just in case. Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, and for those who are returning to this channel, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs, and in this video we're going to unbox an advanced portable car camcorder, no particular name brand. We'll check each and every one of its features and functions, compare the resolution, but most important, we're going to try and answer if this camera is worth it or it's just crap. As per features written on the box, we have 6 fixed focus lens, screen play 2.7 inches, picture format JPEG, audio, built-in microphone, memory, supports up to 32 gigs, USB 2.0 mini, external power supply 3.7 volt with a 300 mAh capacity. Other features written on the box also include SOS G-sensor function with collision detection, which besides capturing unexpected driving event, also locks video following an impact. AV out, HDMI, resolution 1980 by 1080, and finally motion detection. Got this on Amazon, just so you know it came just like this. No seal, just a simple box written in a not so good English, and already this is not giving a good impression. Anyways, without further ado, let's jump into it.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all the
Contents included in the package are 1 car driving recorder, 1 user manual, 1 mount or suction cup. This is what you stick to the top of the windshield. It has a sort of quick release system to easily remove the camera. 1 USB car charger for power and connectivity. As this dash cam requires continuous power to work properly, it has a small 300 mAh built-in battery to take over during an emergency, like when there is an accident which may have disabled your car's battery, and it can plug into a car's standard 12-volt socket. It doesn't come with an extra USB cable, but if you have one, you can just adapt it. Identifying the parts on the dash cam, there is a reset key, up and down key, mode key, OK key to confirm any changes, power key to turn on or off. There is a micro SD card slot, no memory card included in the package, but it is recommended to use a 16 gigs 32 64 gigs card for best results. If you're going to use a class 10 SD card, a 32 gigs is highly recommended. And don't forget to format the card before use. A lock, a USB port, bracket hole, a mic, infrared LED. The setup and operation is quite simple and straightforward. Very easy. First, you want to ensure the installation side is clean and dry first, as this will help adhesion of the suction cup. It is important to install your dash cam outside your line of sight so that it won't impede your vision while on the road. Insert the cam into the mount. Connect the 12-volt USB car charger to the car power or lighter, or connect cam to external power using a USB cable. This external power can be an external battery. Make sure that whatever power is used has a 5-volt. Once you have your camera in place, your dash cam in place, ensure the cables are neatly tucked around the perimeter of the windscreen and then fasten them in position. Install the card. It should automatically detect the card and start recording, but if not, short press the power key. Red light flashes while recording. When recording, short press the lock key to lock the present file. The file will be saved as SOS beginning. The video file will not be deleted when cycle recording. To turn on the camera, long press the power key. To activate the LED night light, short press the power key, and to turn off, long press the power key again. So we're going to install a camera for the first time. First thing to do is this. Next, let's clean the surface. A fiber cloth. This goes here. And you have a lock. So firm. You can put this a little bit way up or down, depends on you. You can easily move it. Insert the card. You can connect either to an external battery, depends on you, or you connect to the cigarette lighter. Personally, I don't like this up here. I'm gonna plug it here. Image looks good. It's not wide angle. Image looks great from here. We're gonna have to see it in a computer. We're gonna connect it to our cigarette lighter. Before you start that, make sure your car is on. Accessing all the different settings can be done through the menu. You have to know there is only one setting for video, none for picture taking. You have video output and video setup. Here are the basics. Power on the DVR. Press the menu key to enter the menu setting interface. You have video output and you have setup. Right now we are in video output. See, it's highlighted blue. Then if you want to go to setup, press menu, come to setup. If you want to leave the settings, press menu again. So let's go to video output. Press the up or down key to choose the specific parameter. Press the OK key to confirm the operation. Press the menu key to exit the setting interface. To turn on, sometimes you have to long press the power on. To turn on. To activate the lights, you have to short press and it will light up. And to turn off the camera, you have to long press again and it shuts off. With higher quality video, you can see more detail at a glance. A crucial detail nowadays, this is supposedly a 1080p full HD dashcam, which you can adjust depending on your preferred recording video resolution. Now to change resolution, press the menu key to enter the menu setting interface. Press OK to change resolution. There are three resolutions: 1920 by 1080p, 1280 by 720, and the last one is VGA. Use the up or down key to choose the preferred resolution. Press OK to confirm, and the menu key to exit the setting interface and finish. Then we have timestamp. This is where you choose to have the time shown on the video or not. Motion detection, which you can either activate or deactivate. Video time, you can choose to loop every 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. And lastly, voice record, where you can either choose to record voice or not. To go to menu setup, press the menu key again. Here you can do a variety of things, and the first option we see here is format card. You can format the card here on the camera. Actually, it's recommended to format the card here on the camera the first time, not in your computer, but here on the camera. Change language, only 4 languages available: English and other 3 Asian languages. Screensaver mode will shut off the display in order to guarantee safe driving and not be affected by the light reflected on the screen. To turn this back on, you just have to press any key. To activate screensaver or set the time to automatically turn off the LCD, from the main screen, press the menu key to enter the menu setting interface, and a second time to enter setup. We've already talked about that. Those are the basic. Look for screensaver, press the OK button to see the options, press the up key or down key to choose the specific time in minutes. There are 4 options: off, 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. Press the OK key to confirm option. Press the menu key to exit the setting interface to finish. If you set up 1 minute, 1 minute after, the screen will automatically turn off the LCD display after no operation. Press any key to turn the screen back on. Then auto on or off, even though it doesn't state on the box, the dash camera can turn on and off when you start and shut down the car engine. You don't need to turn on manually every time. System reset, light frequency, time, and date. To change time and date, a short double click on menu to go to menu setup. Use the up key or down key to go to date input. Press the OK key to confirm. Use the up and down key again to adjust the value. This is month 11. Press OK to activate. And what date is it? Today is the 14th. Press OK. Now we have time, hour first. If it's 11 o'clock, let's just say it's 11 o'clock. Press OK. And that's it. Press the menu key to exit the setting interface to finish. You can also use this dash cam as a PC cam by connecting or activating USB. And finally, we have version. Other things you can do on this camera is change to night vision function using the infrared LED. This will help obtain better night vision. The camera automatically adjusts exposure in low light situations. To access this, under the recording mode, short press the power key to turn on or turn off the infrared LED. Press to turn on, short press to turn off. Short press, turn off. Short press. So you see the infrared light. Another thing is you might want to view or delete the files already recorded on the camera. Also easy to do. First thing you have to do is press the OK key to stop recording. Short press the mode key twice to enter the playback mode. You press 1, 2 to enter the playback mode. It's in auto. This is the playback mode. Press the up key to choose the recorded file and press the confirm key to play. So these are the files recorded. Choose the recorded file and press the confirm key, the OK button, to play or view files. 0, 1. Press the OK key to confirm. Okay. Press the menu key to delete a specific file after playing. You can either choose to delete or format. So let's stop playing. Press menu key, and that will give us an option to delete. So you press OK, OK one more time, and delete one or delete all. So if you want to choose, press the down button to delete. For example, delete all and execute. Yes, no media. Continue pressing menu key to exit operation. Menu one more time, and that's it. No media. To avoid getting files easily locked, which will fill up the card pretty fast, it's advisable to turn off the dash cam sensitivity or at least adjust it to low. In the case of an accident and or impact, the present video files will be saved as EVE beginning. The video file will not be deleted. Lastly, this dash cam can capture audio in addition to video. While video is often most crucial in analyzing crash footage, audio can also be telling. To activate or deactivate audio, go to menu, search and select record video. You'll see two options to activate or deactivate the audio. Go to voice record, OK, to turn on or to turn off. And if you choose on, press OK, and menu once, menu twice to get off screen. We made a comparison of this camera and an older budget camera I meant to replace, but wow, what a difference in resolution. Even though the resolution is acceptable, the older camera has a much more better camera resolution and live colors compared to the new one. Also, the new camera is supposed to be wide angled, but from what I see, no. Now the old camera, you can see how much it can capture because of the wide angle. But well, we can't really expect that much from a budget dash cam. So the decision is up to you. But anyway, whatever be the case, bottom line is adding safety while your vehicle is in motion can give you peace of mind when it's parked, or you simply want a camera to capture your next epic road trip. This might be a good option for you. Below, I will leave a link just in case you want to check it out or check other cameras out. Hope this video has been helpful and has given you enough information on this 1080p advanced portable car camera. No particular name brand, but you can get it on AliExpress, on Amazon, and on Temu. I appreciate your time watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Also, please let me know what you think in the comment section below, or if you already have some experience you might want to share. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon. Ciao.